Hello. Thank you for working with one of our MNsure certified navigators today at Briva Health. It was a pleasure to serve you. Now that we have helped you submit a new health insurance application through MNsure, we want to make sure you understand the next steps. You qualify for MinnesotaCare. This means your coverage is now managed by MinnesotaCare at the Department of Health and Human Services. So moving forward, you will only receive notices in the mail from MinnesotaCare and the health plan you select to manage your coverage. So keep an eye on your mail. Within the next 2 to 3 weeks, you would receive a packet in the mail that has your approval letter, temporary insurance cards for you and your family, and a health plan selection notice. Now, it is not required that you respond to the health plan selection notice if you are okay with the health plan option selected as default on your notice. Then you do not need to send a response. On the other hand, if you want a different health plan than the default, then you will need to check the one you want, send that notice back in the envelope provided within the next 30 days. You may also receive a notice requesting proofs to verify the information we entered in the system is accurate. These include income verifications for working household members, such as copies of your last 2 pay stubs and the most recent tax return documents. They may also request a copy of your Social Security card, citizenship, or immigration documents, and other proofs. Your Briva navigator may have already requested this information from you during the application process and sent it on your behalf. In that case, you don't need to respond to the request. Otherwise, it is very important that you send the requested information to avoid disruption in your healthcare coverage. You may also receive an invoice every month to pay your premium. It is very important that you pay this monthly premium to avoid disruption of your healthcare coverage. Please remember your coverage will not start until the first day of the following month you were enrolled. If you have a premium to pay, it is important that you make the payment as soon as possible so that your coverage can start on time. Instructions for making these payments are included in your packet in the future. If you need to make changes to your application, such as an address, income, or any other changes, you can call MinnesotaCare at 651-297-3862. We would also be happy to help you connect with them. Again, feel free to reach out to us if you need any additional assistance at 855-566-7873 or 612-844-0170.